Can't really see it without the remote. Hiccups. That's baby moving. Oh, so cute. I can see them on my phone, but I don't know if you guys can see them. But I see my belly moving, like right there. That's where his butt is.